Hey folks, this is going to be Long Train Runnin' by the Doobie Brothers. We're going to start out with this G minor 7 chord up here. So we've got the 10th fret of the 5th string, and then we got 12, 10, 11, and 10. And we're going to be hammering in this section of the chord here. So we got... Okay, so we got... So we do the hammer and we wait just a quick second, and then we have a up down and we stop that chord. And then we have a down, down, up as we go to the lower part of the chord. So we got. Okay, that's our basic thing, and then we can put some percussive chicks kind of in there, like. So it's like boom, ba-dum, chicka chicka down, da gong gong, and another little up one in there. So. And sometimes at the end of one of these sets of fours, it'll be like. They'll kind of let those opens go for a minute to give it a different sound right at the end. So after we get into the first 4 of these, then the band starts coming in. We're gonna have this little second guitar riff that you can throw in there. Now that comes in after the 1, so it'll be like 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so it's just wait for the 1 and then come in on the 2 to the 3, kind of a hammer on the G string, and then little 3 to the 1 to the 3 on the 2nd string. So 3, 4, 1, 1. Okay, so that just does that a lot of times. And then we're gonna have where the verse starts. So it's basically been 8 times of this thing, and you did 4 times of that one. And here goes the verse. 3, 4. So here we get into a C minor 7. So we got 3 on the 5th string, then 5, 3, 4, 3. And we're gonna kind of like hit the 1 without doing the chord. So we're gonna wait a little bit. So we got. So I waited like 3, 4, 1. And then I started coming in and moving this 4 out of here a little bit. And you can either do that twice, or the second one, they kind of have a chord that pops in and uses this 5 on the bottom. So it'd be like. Kind of strum on that chord there, right? So that's 3, 5, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 1. Right back up. Now here we have an E flat chord, so that's 6, 8, 8, 8, starting on the 5th string, and then we have this minor chord here. So this is 8 on the D, and then 7, and then 8 and 6. That's part of a G minor type thing. Just has a B flat in the bass instead. So we got E flat, we got just G minor, and then we have this D7. So that's 5 on the 5th string, 7, 5, 7, 5. It's like that A7 type shape. Okay, so we got E flat, we got this G minor with the B flat bass, to D7, and then we're back to our riff. And then a whole new series starts, so here we go, 3, 4. There's a new verse. Down to the 3rd. Back up. Then we got our chords. Back up. So here we have the G minor. We're kind of stopping. You could do like the top of a chord, I guess. Like 3, 4. Do the 2s up to the 3. And then the 4th time, you can kind of strum the chord a bit. So that'd be 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. then we got the change. Back up. That'd be one of those where you kind of just do that little different one at the end. So then we have a harmonica solo. That'd be straight through all the parts again. So we'll just skip that. That's going to be your same stuff 4 times through this riff. The change down here, back up, your chord changes, all that. Then we have a new section of stops. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we got. So you could kind of keep doing that riff and put that pinky down there too. And then back up. Chords. Back up. Now this time we have. So more hits on the stops part. So 2, 3, and. C minor 7. Now this time, we're going to hold these chords for a much longer time. Actually, we hold them out. We don't keep strumming them. Now we're going to come down to the C minor 7 also. What would you be? Right. And then we're back up to. Keep doing that. So it just keeps doing that same thing, and it has the. Okay, so let's take a quick look through everything again. We have our basic rhythm part. And that goes like 12 times. You also have your riff after the 1, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and then we get to the C minor part. We kind of don't hit on the first beat. 3, 4, 1. We got that 4 coming out, coming back. Got that little 5 we can throw in there, and then. So E flat. 2 strums each. So that was like a whole bar of E flat. And then 2 beats each of that G minor to D7. Back up. Like I say, we got stops. 2, 3, 4. And then the other stops are more forceful, like. Strum a little bit. C minor. So I think that pretty much covers it. Long train running. Hope you all dug that. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.